I know my kind of stuff, but yeah, I suck at making videos. But yeah, I just make them for fun now, like Derp videos. And sorry if the keyboard's like too big. Yeah, I got rarer over the days. I used to make stupid videos. So yeah, look. Oh, stupid. Sorry. Oh, so I have made this on this update, the elephant update. So it was a really long time ago when the other time, like when I made videos, the stupid ones. Yeah. I have no idea. I'm playing this on Puffin, by the way, so that's why the keyboard's so big. And I don't want to edit this anymore. So yeah. Sometimes I really make crappy videos. I'm just gonna be playing around in the pillow room and saying derpy stuff like free Krabby Patties! I don't know if you can hear me properly because the thing is really stupid. You're probably like, what is this thing you speak of? It's like the microphone. So yeah, I'm gonna go there. Derp, 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 derp. No! Damn it. I guess I have to go somewhere else. Not in Aladdin, because Aladdin is like the best place in the world. Derp. Oh my god. You scare me. Move, stupid leopard. No! I wanna go here. Stupid. Time to derp around. Come on. Seriously? Oh. Derp. Yes. Looks like most of these people have gone into the pillar room. Dun dun dun. I'm stupid. You probably think I'm stupid. Say hi. I'm recording. Yes! Yes! Oh, shout out to you for saying yes. Hi. I meant, yeah, hi. Yep. There we go. Say hi, I'm recording. I'm so fabulous. Shout out to this wolf again. Oh my god. No one knows if you say hi, you get a shout out. You're probably gonna watch this. Like, these people are gonna watch this like, man, I shouldn't say hi. I think you said hi, I'm not sure. Oh, it says hi. Everyone gets a shout out. Time to say, who wants to grab a patty? Who wants? Who wants to grab a patty? Oh, stop that! Oh, Oh my god, please stop. Please let me type. Next. Come get your Krabby Patty. Which is evil. Evil Krabby Patty. It's an evil Krabby Patty. Just say no. Sometimes I feel stupid for making videos. You probably think I am, and if you do, so I just want to be famous like Paddle, and yeah, but I don't think I am because no one watches these stupid videos. Oh my god, the lion's purring! Oh my god, the lion's purring! Oh my god. It's evil! Evil! If you watch my other stupid videos, which you probably haven't because no one's watched them, I'll show you my animals. Dun 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 dun. There we go. It's raining. I'm gonna. What? Wow. Who really cares? Derp, 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 derp. Time to say. I don't know how to live stream, but I want to. My friend live streams. Say hi. I'm recording. Say hi, I'm recording, bro. Oh my. Shout out to Doo 23231. Wow. Doo. What's his stupid name? No offense, Doo. Oh, I forgot. Nah, don't run away. 8, go. Alright. Oh my god. If you think, they probably think like you're not recording, then they watch this video and like, oh my god, I'm on TV. I don't know what I should do. I want to make my ending the Derp song, and then I'm like in the middle of someone saying, just dancing, saying thank you for watching. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing that maybe. When I get older, I'm gonna start recording on my what do you call it again? Laptop. Yeah. So yeah, I'm obsessed with trading. I am rare. Oh yeah, my things test you it. This. Oh. Red will be cold. I feel derp. All my videos get derpy, and I'm derpy. You all hate me because I make stupid videos. I have no idea who senpai is. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Senpai. Senpai. I want to know. Crash. Yeah. Quack. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. I think in the next video, I think the ending and the starting will have like the Derp song playing, but I have to go onto YouTube and do it. Oh, you didn't know who Senpai is. So yeah. Say bye, I'm gonna stop. Say bye. Oh, where is it?